morning, I'm Tracy from Littlewood Agapanthus Farm here in the beautiful Adelaide Hills, South Australia. We haven't posted a video for a little while, but we thought we'd do one this morning. It's November here and I want to talk about how you can layer Agapanthus in your garden so that you can get a very long flowering season. These Agapanthus here are an early flowering variety that are a compact standard. So they're perhaps not as large as some of the white Agapanthus you can get, but they're pretty good, as you can see. Now here we are in November and we've got some beautiful flowers. These flowers are pretty big ones. Some of the petals are a little bit inappetate, like the purple cloud that hang down. But they are a really lovely Agapanthus with a sage green leaf. Now, if you want a long flowering season, what you could do is you could plant something like a dwarf Agapanthus in front of these. And I'm just going to direct you over to Perpetual Peace. These have a long flowering season anyway, but you could perhaps put those in the front, these at the back, or intersperse them. And then over here we've got giant whites. These have only been in a couple of years and we just planted them as a double, and you can see they're a great grower. So these will have very tall flowers and very large flower heads, and they'll flower late December, January. So if you plant an early flowering variety and a later flowering variety in the same garden bed, you'll have a really long flowering season. And I think that's the trick to Agapanthus, if you can do it, and particularly en masse. If you've liked what you've seen today and our tips and hints, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.